The city government of Manila will buy 110,000 tablet devices and 11,000 laptops worth 994 million pesos for students and teachers in preparation for upcoming online classes. Mayor Isko Moreno announced the good news during a meeting with officials of the local school board. Each tablet device will have SIM cards with 10 GB bandwidth monthly. It will also have free 2 GB data allocation for YouTube. For public school teachers, 11,000 laptops with pocket Wi-Fi devices will be issued.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.